For the first time ever, we're flying to the Balearic island of Ibiza, arriving just 1 week after the island experienced its worst storms and flooding in over 50 years. We're staying in Santa Eularia, one of Ibiza's quieter resorts. And in our first 48 hours, we'll be showing you where we stayed, taking a stroll into town, visiting the largest market on the island, and discovering some of the most beautiful beaches along the southeast coast. So come and join us as we explore this stunning island. And if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe. Just arrived. We're in our room 1066 of our hotel. This is the outside of it here. Impressed with the room. Lovely bathroom. This is where we're sleeping. Nice bed. Wardrobes. Kettle. Television. This is our balcony. And because it is quite a cloudy day, it's packed. Nice balcony, so I'm going to put the kettle on and have a cup of tea after our long journey here. Thought we'd go for a walk. While the sun ain't shining, let's go for a stroll. Looks as if everyone's keeping away from the pool today, other than the lifeguard. Reception. Alright, let's go for a walk. Eularia. Eularia? Eularia. Or Eularia. You choose. Wow, there's some coastline we could walk here. So all this is really on the edge of Santa Eularia. The main harbour is just the other side. Elaine's bought herself something. What do you think she... Looking very cool. Something gives me the strong idea we're in Ibiza. Here's a great map of Ibiza.
That's where we are.
That's where we are, that's where we're staying. Trying to find a supermarket. We need some milk and we need some water. Yay! We found a supermarket. It's 7 o'clock in the evening. Time to eat. Wow. Greetings. We've had a very lazy day by the pool. We thought we'd go for a walk before dinner. So yesterday we walked that away towards the harbour. This late afternoon we thought we'd go this way and go left. Our first full day in Ibiza, and it's been a very sunny day. It's been lovely in fact. So let's have a wander. Makes me want to sing a Shakin' Stevens song, don't know why. So it's October 2025 and Ibiza is just getting over the worst floods since 1952 apparently. And I can only presume this is one of the remnants of the storms and floods they had here. Enjoying the nice weather now, Lane. This is the beach we're at. We're just around here, and this beach is next to it, to the right. Just figuring out how we're going to get over there. It's like a jungle. If we can. Just about. Is blocked, we cannot go on. A lot of the path is probably unsafe from the storms. Never mind. Good morning from Ibiza. It's a very pleasant skyline this morning. We're going to have some breakfast.
Underground car park. I was only slightly concerned in case we had loads of flood water, but it hasn't rained since we've been here, so that's all good. only one way out of this car park, so I'm going to walk out and make sure the coast is clear, because it's got to drive out here. Here we go.
We have arrived somewhere. Free parking. We're off to the local market, Santa Eularia, or Aribi. It's the oldest and largest market in Ibiza. The official parking for the market, €5. More parking for the market. Lock the car. The car looks right. We've moved on. We've moved just north of the market to here. I thought we'd have a look at the beach. We've had to park in a paying display car park. All the roads are full of parked cars. So I hope we can just figure out how to get out of here. Follow that arrow. Wednesday the 15th of October, and this place is definitely giving me the end of season vibes. We're looking at the northeast stretch of Ibiza here. Nice and quiet this morning. It's late morning. The waters are so blue here. Beautiful part of the coastline. Thinking this is part of a circular walk, because it starts at Santa Eularia and ends in Santa Eularia. So all of this is Calanova. Nice beach.